Hey fam friends, how you doing today? Please bake with me. So I got this job, I got this job and I couldn't turn it down because I was sick at this moment. But the feelings you get when you are new at something and you get a job, you don't want to let it slide. That was exactly what happened. So I decided to take the job. As a new baker, I can't let any job slide at the moment, no matter what. So yeah, this is me baking my cake, and here I am. Yes, and this my cake is ready. I'm covering it right here. As you can see now, I'm a baker. Hey, see me covering that cake. You can feel my excitement, right? I'm just excited because I didn't imagine I could bake, let alone covering the cake. See me now. I'm a baker. Okay, so that's me, carefully trimming my cake. So I had to be careful because once you make a mistake at this point, it might be difficult, to put it together. So yeah, that's me covering the cake. And yeah, so I'm almost done with that. Please, if you're just joining my channel, kindly subscribe, hit the like button, and please share. Thank you for your support always. And that's our final look. God bless you for watching. Bye bye.